all have your nut key this time actually, please.
Right.
Just because you don't seem to really need it.
Yep.
And I do.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, keep going.
Okay. Right.
So what we're going to do now is set up a system where we're abseil down, I'll be last down. So have you ever done a self-protected abseil?
Yeah.
I'll set it 3 times. Then we join it back in, and it's called a French button. It works, it's multi-directional, it grabs both ways. So now we can slide it out, and this is all relaxed. And then I'm not having to struggle. Maybe make sure it's nice and tight. Try this.
The classic.
Do you want to clip it?
Alright.
So if you want to stop, you hold below the knot and slide the knot back up.
Alright. Oh, if I want to stop, just do this.
Ends up on grass, so you do have to pull on.
Really?
Yeah, you
They
learn about grass climbing.
seem to give way easily.
Because you're doing adventure climbing now, it's not gym climbing or sport climbing.
You just use whatever's at your disposal.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yay! And come and have a look at the anchor you're hanging from. This one's a good one. I found an extra placement.
Right.
Yep. Work with your legs now then.